When I was young, we had a young Armenian man come to our house pretty frequently and eat meals with us. And one time he brought pilaf with him, and it was fantastic. And he said, okay, next time I come, I'll bring all the ingredients and I'll teach you how to make authentic Armenian pilaf, which he did. And we've had this recipe ever since. So we love it. We've passed it on to our kids, and now it's your turn to learn how to make it simple with Armenian pilaf.